There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.
Jesus, Lord, Asulwa, Elu, oh, Mayu Jesus, Agasulegia, Agasulwa, lo, yeah.
My mama called, seen you on TV, said that it done changed ever since I was young. I heard it all, ever since I was young. Baby, I'm friendly, now I'm jumping out the Bentley, and I know she's dramatic, but you know I gotta have it, for the money I'm a savage, yeah. My mama called, seen you on TV, said that it done changed ever since I was young. I heard it all, ever since I was young. Now they always say congratulations, work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had a dedication. People hate and say we changed, but look, we made it, yeah. Now they always say congratulations, yeah. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had a dedication. People hate and say we changed, but look, we made it, yeah. We made it, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Nah, nah.
Kade siwayivela uBrenda Fasi ngala.
Dlala ivideo. Musani ukungiphazamisa ngixoxe indaba. Ngiyapaka la eSports Center. This is the scene. When you look around you can see other graduates. Mina nongolozo omnyama uBlack one from Tangubane clan. Kade ngizodropa udokotela nanguye lo ozokhombisa ukuthi imisebenzi yami emihle engiyenzileyo yimi lo ngiyiqhuba Nkosi yami bengelula kodwa ngimqhubile ngimlethile nangudokotela ngimlethile Nkosi yami. It's okay.
The role of traditional health practitioners and the effect of Salix Mucoronata on the treatment of negative symptoms of schizophrenia in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. Supervisors, Dr. B.Z. Dagama and Professor M.V. Mabanzla. Chancellor, I have the honor to request the degree of an assessment of quality of life and the development of an assessment tool for children with non-cystic fibrosis. Supervisor, Professor R. Masa. Are you whistling for me? The role of traditional health practitioners and the effect of Salix Mucoronata on the treatment of negative symptoms of schizophrenia in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. Supervisors, Dr. B.Z. Dagama and Professor M.V. Mabanzla. Chancellor, I have the honor to request you to confer on kaNtombi Futhi Princess Ingubani the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Face the camera. An assessment an assessment of quality of life and the development of an assessment